how to use widgets to customize your home screen. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap hold anywhere on your home screen until the apps start to jiggle. Once it starts jiggling, you will see the edit option on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on that and then tap on the add widget option. Further, go ahead and browse or search for a widget. Example, weather, calendar, clock, notes, reminders, fitness. You can then swipe to choose the size such as small, medium, large based on your widget. Finally, tap on the Add Widget option and it will appear on your home screen. Now, if you want to move or arrange your widgets, then press and drag the widget to reposition it. You can place it among other apps or move it to another screen if you want. You can also drag one widget on top of another of the same size and it will become a widget stack. You can then swipe up or down on the stack to cycle through the widgets. You can also long press on the stack and then tap on the Edit Stack button to reorder or delete the widgets. You can also turn on Smart Rotate so iOS shows you the most relevant widget automatically. And you can also long press on a widget and then tap on the Edit Widget option and choose what info it displays, such as calendar type or a location for weather or notes folder. And optionally, you can download apps like Widget Smith, Color Widgets, or Widgie from the App Store, which will let you custom design the widgets. So this is how you can use widgets to customize your home screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.